Chevrolet Corvette C8. This car is completely modified, and one of the best things I like is the headlights. Look at how beautiful they are. They have some design on the inside. They're blue, and basically there's a new company called Raul, and they've started to modify and customize basically headlights of cars. So you can take your car and they'll customize the headlights in any design or color you want, which is, I think, a nice touch actually. It's something no one has ever done. As for the rest of the car, yes, I've seen it last year, but then it didn't have any of these stickers, the black and blue stickers. It just was a silver car with very heavy carbon fiber parts added onto it. So that actually looked good because it really made the car look, really sportier, and it just made it look better. But now it's just a little too much done. It's just too much. Anyway, I thought I'd show it to you. Maybe some of you might like it. And I'm here at this custom car show, so it's just standing in the middle of the hall, and there's no one around for me to ask anything about this car. But still, it's amazing. I like the big fenders, the front and rear, and I like how they cover only the top part of the wheels. They don't really cover up the front and the rear part of the wheels, which is a nice style, I guess. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this car. Do you like it? As for the engine, I can't say if it's tuned or not. The standard car has a 6.2 liter V8, which makes around 500 horsepower. So here at this custom car show that I'm at, they have a lot of other cars. Like you have some stalled by the Civil Aviation of Dubai, and they have some modified pickups. You have some Dubai police cars like the new Supra, the new GTR, and a new W Motors SUV. And yeah, you have other modified cars as well. Like in the background you can see some SUVs, you can see some Ford Raptors, and I think that's a Toyota Tundra if I'm not mistaken. Then you have this blue Bentley GT modified by Mansory. So yes, this is just one hall. There's another hall as well, so they have all types of cars. So if you want to see more modified cars, just have a look at my channel. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Not all my videos are in English. Just read the title and you'll find the word English and know which video to see.